How is it going, everybody? It's Pedro here, and we are going to make an origami flamingo, as someone wanted to make from my last video about the fox. If you want to see the fox, here it is again. I do still have it with me. Um, so now we're gonna move on to the flamingo. Let's get started. Okay. So you need to start off with a square piece of paper, just like we did last time with the fox. We're going to start off with folding each corner on itself. So I'm going to go from top to bottom, right? So whenever you are making the square, you're technically already doing this. So top to bottom and then top to bottom again. Then you're going to flip this over, okay? So you see how it's still going, it's inwards. And then from here, you're going to go keep it, instead of a diamond shaped like last time, from top to bottom, you're going to keep it as a square. And then from square, you're going to go top to bottom and then and then left to right, or if you turn it, it's going to be top to bottom. So we're going to go top to bottom here, right? Down. Go. Okay. Then we're going to unfold it, rotate, then top to bottom. Oh, unfold it. Wow. And you're going to go back to a diamond. Okay. Now, the way this is, let's do this all in one go here. Okay, so once you are here, you're going to push this inwards, okay? And you're going to go from top to bottom. And then you're going to push the sides in. Okay, and you're going to get this little small diamond here. All right, and once you are here, you're going to grab this. So you're going to go from this wall, this side here, put it right here in the middle of the crease. So you're going to do your best to try to do that. You do that for both sides. There's a perfect, not really perfect, but make sure it's a good fold. And then from here, right, you can keep it like this, or you can unfold it. I prefer to unfold it. You're going to get the top. Well, I prefer actually to leave this folded. And then from top, you're going to fold this inwards. And from there, you can just pull it out. That way you get that nice crease right here. Just push down. So then from here, okay, you're going, so this one's a little bit more harder. You're going to grab it whenever you fold over. You're going to fold this over again, just so that way you can see it. You're going to grab right here, right, on top of the back side. Then you're going to get this right, this one, the very top one. Push it over. Right whenever you push it over, you're gonna push it on the inside here. And you're gonna push on the inside. That once you get that crease, then you're gonna push all the way down. Once you push all the way down, come back on the outside here, go back to your original creases, and then just fold. Very easy and very simple. Make sure you get that nice top one, because this top one will fold on itself. So let's make sure that one's good. And from here, you're gonna do the other side. You're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so we're here, which is the other back side here. Um, so now we have this longer diamond here. Okay. So once we have this longer diamond, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna fold the outside part into the inside part. So it's gonna be a little bit harder since it is a a smaller piece to fold whenever it gets to the bottom. Okay. Trying to get that right. There we go. Kind of hard to look at it straight up when you get the fold. All right. Then from here, you can flip it over and do it again. Okay. So once you're here, have both sides folded like this. You're gonna get this just the top side of the right side. Just top side of the right side. Now, if you're left-handed, you can do it on the left side. It's up to you. When you're on the right side, you're gonna only fold this top right side over again to the middle. Bottom, it's a little. You have this little piece of paper fold, that piece of fold right here, it's up. Now, what you can do is you can do that for the back side as well. Harder to fold. So there we go. I have this, this right side both folded. And from here, we're gonna get this whole left side, the whole left side here. So the both, I thought it was two pieces. I guess not. So just this whole left side here. You're gonna fold it to a right angle, a little bit under. So it's like you're gonna see three lines here. So you have this top pocket, okay. You have this middle pocket, okay. Then you have this. Then you're gonna see this crease from earlier. So top pocket, middle, the bottom pocket, and then this crease. You're gonna fold it to have like a right angle, uh, about the middle, of like right of this. Okay, so once you have that right angle, you're gonna crease it. All right. Then from here, you're going to actually fold. So this is the legs. I don't know if you can tell the body so far. And then we're gonna fold the head. So we're gonna fold like the middle of the head, fold it upwards. So it's a little bit above or, you know, equal to this point right here. And then just make sure it's still a uh, straight fold. You don't want it to be at an angle or anything. And then once you're here, you're gonna fold this head backwards on itself. So you can get this little headpiece here. So it's going to fold here, right? And you're going to fold on itself. All right. So then this is going to be the tricky part again. You're going to get this top side, fold it all the way down till it kind of matches where you creased the head. So as you can see, it's almost at the matching crease. There we go. So see how it lines up? It lines up a little bit, but I'm a little bit off, but it's fine. And then you're going to do that for the other side. Just kind of match the the front wing. So there's going to be the wings here. And then this little top part, just fold it backwards towards the back wing. And then you now have your flamingo. So this is the flamingo here. Now if you want to, you can, crease the head a little bit more. Just like crease it one more time for the beak. Just so it looks a little bit more lively, a bit more organic, I guess you could say. So that is, it's hard to keep it still to where it looks right. But that's pretty much the flamingo. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I don't know what to really do next since I don't have another idea. So comment what more ideas I can do, and then I will do my best to do them. We will see what's going to happen in the next video. Until then, I'll see you later.